This is the Silvercrest 1500 kit. It's the first one that's been assembled, and for the benefit of customers that have bought a ready-to-run engine, I'll take you through all controls around the engine. So starting at the back, this is a connection for an auxiliary water tank, which is only feeds the injector, but if you're using an injector, cold water is better, so a tank on the trolley and a connection to there would be ideal. Then moving into the cab, on the cab floor there's three valves. The rear valve on the right is the isolator valve for that auxiliary water pipe. So if you're not using the auxiliary tank, that valve needs to be closed. This valve is the water valve for the injector, and this is the steam valve for the injector. And then on the left is the bypass valve for the axle pump, which needs to be closed in order to use the hand pump as well, which is pretty standard. Down there are the cylinder drain cock lever. Forward is closed, back is open. Moving up, water gauge blower down, steam brake valve, isolator valve for the steam brake valve, which you will probably close for boiler tests because they always leak a little bit. Whistle valve, pressure gauge, regulator, fully open anti-clockwise, closed to the right, fire doors obviously, and then pole reverser forward and back. And then moving to the front, mechanical lubricator is under there, and it's got two compartments, two pumps, one for the left and one for the right cylinder, so you can tell that both are oiling. And in the left-hand tank there's a hand pump, which you probably won't need to use very often, but just for filling the boiler. And also, I forgot to say, at the bottom of the right of the boiler is the blowdown valve, hidden down, right down there, and that's got an 8mm AF hexagon head to undo it. Right, for steaming, you need about half a glass of water, which you can fill using the hand pump. And then I've used barbecue charcoal soaked in paraffin, a couple of handfuls in there, and an electric blower on the chimney to draw the fire. And then I'll be adding coal, a little bit of coal at a time, until we get the pressure up. Okay, we've got a nice fire. Fire's been built right up. Pressure's risen. Safe hours are blowing at 90 pounds. Blower's just on a little bit. So we're good to go really.
Rolls Royce.
Oh, that is. Okay.